Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to connect a D2L quiz to the gradebook. Connecting a quiz to the gradebook is easy and similar to doing the same in Dropboxes or discussions. Let's get started. Click on the Quizzes tab in the course navbar. In this demo, we will use a quiz we have already set up. However, the same steps can be used for a new quiz. To edit a quiz we have already created, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the quiz title. In the menu that appears, click on Edit. From there, click on Not in Gradebook in the Grade Out of section. This will give us two options. The first option is Edit or Link Existing. This will let us use a grade item that we have already set up in the gradebook. The second option is Add to Gradebook. This will create a new grade item in the gradebook. The grade item will have the same name as the quiz. In this tutorial we will use Edit or Link Existing. A pop-up will appear with two options. The first option allows us to create a new grade item and edit it from this page. The second option is to link the quiz to a grade item that we have already created. We will use the second option in this demo. Pop-up will update, providing us with the first available grade item in the gradebook. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with all of our other available grade items. When we have chosen the appropriate grade item, we can click on OK in the lower left corner. When we are done, click on one of the save options. That is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.